Okay, I just want to share with you guys that are trying to learn Morse code. I got this little package. There's a couple of hams out of Canada. Vince, VE, Victor Echo 6, Lima Kilo, and Dan, Victor Echo 6, Bravo Sierra Delta. They put together this Morse Tutor package. You can order it as just a kit to build it yourself if you want. I went ahead and paid them a little extra to build it for me because I don't have really a good setup for doing electronics anymore. And I tell you what, I'm really impressed and excited with what I've got. If you get this kit from them, you can also ask for some 3D plans. I just happen to have a coworker who had a 3D printer, so he printed it up for me. And I'm really excited. This thing fits nicely in there. It's a really... I've fired it up once already and just set up the paddle. It starts out as defaulted as a straight key, but you can set it up to use paddles. My tip to you, if you get this in this package, is to take note of the text on the board as to what port means what. I went ahead and shoved it together, and they're like, what goes where? And you also want to have kicking around an old power supply. It says it handles from 7 to 15 volts DC. I have this old modem one that's like 12 volts, 1 amp, and it seems to power it really well. But it's a nice package. Fits together quite snugly. I'll have to dig some screws out to anchor it down good in there, but Dan did a really good job of making a nice tight package. Fits together well. They give you some knobs here to put on. I haven't even done that part yet. But yeah, I'm impressed with this. Thanks guys for putting this package out. I've been trying to learn Morse code just by listening to apps and such, but I have a feeling it's much like learning things. When you're writing things down, you learn better. So I want to get the keys going so I could, ooh, that's loud, so I can get it to sink into my head more. Anyways, thanks Dan and Vince. This is an awesome package.